Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home.
Today we have the contents for the latest Penny Start charity auction that we will be running, where 100% of the proceeds of this auction will go to HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America. I am recording this on Friday morning to publish on Saturday morning because the current, as of this recording, Penny Start auction of the Camel ashtray with the Camel pin and the street chrome Zippo lighter will end this evening. So I want to have this video up on Saturday so that I can start the new charity auction. Some of you are very familiar with these auctions. Some of you have probably never participated. I hope that you will consider doing so. We have a brand new, courtesy of our buddy Gavin Lannon, Street Chrome 2004 full-size Zippo windproof lighter. Has never been lit. See, brand new case, brand new insert, marked L of 03 and made in Zippo, USA. The case is marked A of 04. So you have the case being manufactured at the beginning of 2004, the insert at the end of 2003. So just a few months apart, a couple months apart. Maybe 1 month apart. L, JKL. L, I believe, is 12th month. So different years, but just 1 month apart. I believe that these street chrome Zippos are some of the best at hiding blemishes. And this lighter may have some blemishes, scratches, scuffs that were not original to the lighter. It is unstruck, unused. Doesn't appear as though it's ever been filled with fuel. Get a screwdriver here and loosen our flint spring screw. You can see how white that bottom felt pad is. Just as snow white underneath. Wick is obviously unburned, unsinged. No carbon buildup in the windscreen. Pull out our flint spring and screw, and there's the flint. Grooved on one side, as is typical. So the flint is in it. Just needs to be filled up with fuel. And you will have a dependable, brand new, and by the time that you receive this lighter, it'll be almost 20 years old, maybe 20 years old by the time. Well, no, probably not this one. This auction, if I get it started tomorrow, will end on the 19th. So you should definitely have it before it reaches 20 years old. But a nice, brand new lighter that has been around for a while. And like I said, the street chrome does a very good job of hiding blemishes. Those are good users. Here's a hat pin or lapel pin for Camel cigarette brands. It says Roadhouse Tour. It's got the wings, Camel logo. We are also going to include this R.J. Reynolds keychain from September 19th of 1986. R.J. Reynolds Tobacco Company, Tobaccofield, North Carolina. So this is to commemorate the dedication of their Tobaccovill facility, wherever that is. I'm not aware of it. This keychain is the first that I've ever heard of that, but apparently it has been around since 1986, if Tobaccovill is still around. I'm not even sure if R.J. Reynolds still owns Winston, but they were the original owners of Winston, and we are going to include this nice ceramic glazed ashtray. Has Winston on both sides, the W logo in the middle, and then it says no boundaries, no bull on both sides of it. Very nice 4-rest ashtray. So you and 3 of your buddies can use that all at the same time. Couple little trinkets, like I said, with the pin and the R.J. Reynolds keychain. And then, of course, the brand new 2004 Street Chrome Zippo windproof lighter. Everything looks good and straight. Like I said, there may be some minor blemishes, scuffs, scratches, that sort of thing. Maybe a ding. But all in all, it's a brand new lighter, which should serve you very well. Be able to put it in your pocket. And just like any other Zippo, it will be there for you when it comes time to ignite whatever it is that you intend to combust, whether that be Winston, Camel, cigarettes, some other R.J. Reynolds product, or maybe you don't smoke tobacco at all. So check this out, our latest 100% to HDSA charity, penny start, free shipping. The organization, the charity will get all the money. You get all 4 of these items. I'll pick up the bill for the shipping, and everybody will be happy. Until next time.